Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your system. Make sure Windows 10 is updated and you have administrative rights. Download a reputable live wallpaper program such as Wallpaper Engine or Rain Wallpaper and save the installer. Run the installer as admin, choose default components, and let the program add itself to startup if you want auto launch. Once done, restart the program and grant any permission prompts. This ensures the app can control wallpaper and audio synchronization without being blocked by security settings. Now import your anime file or subscribe to a workshop seen inside the app. Click Add or Import, select MP4/WebM/GIF or Live Scene Package, and wait for the preview. Configure resolution and loop options, enable Audio Visualizer if desired, and pick a performance preset to match your GPU. Assign the scene to a specific monitor or span across multiple displays, and use independent profiles for different setups. Make sure the preview plays smoothly before proceeding to system integration. Finish by enabling the app to run at startup and granting background permissions so your live wallpaper appears after login. Tweak performance, lower quality presets, cap frame rate, or turn off high-resolution particle effects if your PC stutters. If the wallpaper shows a black screen, update your GPU drivers, reinstall the Wallpaper app, and check that antivirus or Windows Defender isn't blocking it. Finally, save a profile so you can quickly restore settings if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.